this is Debbie Seidel-Mickey, and I'm the CEO of Dental Practice Solutions. And I wanted to talk to you today and ask you a question. Who's your air traffic controller? And I was thinking about this last week as I flew into Chicago Airport, and it was a smooth flight. It was on the day of the eclipse, and it was one of the best flights that I've had until about 15 minutes before landing. We had a change in the weather pattern, and it got kind of bumpy and felt like we were on a roller coaster. But the pilot was able to make some adjustments so that we had a safe landing. And if you know about Chicago, Illinois, the main O'Hare Airport, I imagine that there are close to 10, 12 runways. And it must be difficult for a pilot to land the plane correctly, but thank goodness they've got the help and the guidance of professional and amazing air traffic controllers. And there are so many shifts. It was making me think about the shifts that occur in our day as dental professionals. And the next day, as I was in my client office, there was a huge shift in their schedule. And I realized that they really didn't have a person who was their air traffic controller. I think of the doctor more as the pilot. You know, the pilot's controlling the plane. They're the ones maneuvering it. And our doctors are the ones working on the patients. The doctor's been trained with amazing clinical skills, and we want to have our doctor focused on the patient. But when there's a shift, the temperature in the office changes and there's a shift in your schedule, who's there to help the office maneuver and shift so that there aren't bottlenecks? So that as we were flying around in the air, trying to capture a great place in the air so it wasn't so bumpy, who's there in your office so it's not so bumpy? When there's a shift in the office, who's there to guide doctor to be in the right place at the right time, to see the hygiene patient at that perfect moment? And so I wanted to title this week, Who's Your Air Traffic Controller? Who's that one person that can help the whole team to create a smooth shift when the climate in your office changes? I will be back next week. Head on over to our blog, dentalpracticesolutions.com/blog, where I write more about this and how you can have smooth landings in your office. I'm wishing you a great day and a week in your office. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.